Hi Prepsters, this is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, bringing you everything cheese. Now I will be freeze drying this, and just remember, more cheese, please. Let's get these on our trays and let's see how many. I have a medium tray here. Let's see how many cups will fit on that tray. Come a little closer and let's do this thing. Well, my cheese ended up being 4 cups per tray, perfect amount. And these will be put in the freezer, pre-freeze them for my freeze dryer. But don't forget, cheese, you're not really gonna be able to reconstitute this and eat this as you think. But you can, however, put it in many of your meals. And I don't know about you, but I don't know about eggs without some cheese in the morning, especially scrambled. So make sure you add cheese to your freeze drying items that you want to go ahead and take care of, and this is delicious. So add cheese, please. It looks just like we put it in. They look amazing. Hi Prepsters, well, our shredded grated cheese is all freeze dried, so we can get it packed up and put this away. Come in a little closer and watch us do that. Hi Prepsters, as you can see, our cheese is all packed up into pint-size Mylar bags. I'll leave a link down below where I get my wonderful Mylar bags and oxygen absorbers and a coupon code as well. So make sure you go check that out. Don't forget to add your oxygen absorber and heat seal, and there you go. You now could put this cheese away for 15, 20 years. From the Pandemic Prepsters to you, have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to get more wonderful videos such as this.